So update lang po muna tayo ngayon sa list of recorded online lending platform ng SEC. Ito yung mga OLA na authorized magpa-utang ayon sa SEC, no? Ito yung mga OLA, okay? Na nasa website, sa App Store, sa Play Store, kahit saan kung saan nyo pwede ma-download, pwede yan. Na sila ay registered ng SEC ayon sa website nila. So hindi tayo papatumpik-tumpik pa, medyo mahaba ho ito talaga. Isa-isahin natin ngayon, okay? Ito po yung list of recorded online lending platforms. Yung number 1 niya, Acom Consumer. Okay, si Acom Cash Loans. Then, Advanced Tech Lending. Website siya. Asialink Finance. Asialink Mobile CRM app. Ito yung Asialink na pwede mo makita kahit saan. Okay? Meron kasi rito sa amin yan sa may, malapit sa may Paso de Blas. Okay? Asia Source Financial Incorporation. Yung FIN, yung advance sahod o advance salary, parang bale, parang gano'n yung FinApp na ito. And then si Asteria Lending, asteria.com.ph, Biyaya Lending. Ang kanyang OLA po ay Loanstream at then Wise. Cashbee Lending, cashbee.ph, ito yung na-rebook, nakabalik. Cash Express, Cash Express, ito yung nasa website. Cashmam Lending Investors Corporation, Cashmam. Tapos itong Semarge Finance Incorporated, Mega Peso. Yung mga tatanong ha kung SEC registered ba yan, o Mega Peso is registered. Sepat Credit, okay? Financing Corporation. Code Block Lending Incorporation, si OLA niyan ay ang K-Peso, O Peso at OK Peso. Then, ang paborito ng lahat, si Coverstone. Peso Forest, Poco Cash, Blue Peso, Mocha Mocha, Peso Bupay, Load Cash at si Quickla. And then si Corpan Lending Investor. And ano siya, parang Facebook account for marketing purposes only. So, di siya utangan. Crawford Micro Lending Technologies. Parang gano'n kasi, no? Corpan, Facebook account. Parang gano'n, no? Hindi ko alam kung lending ba to o ano. Parang marketing purposes to. I don't know. Pero di ko na utangan to. Ulitin ko lang. Crawford Micro Lending Technologies, crawford.com.ph. Ito rin, para marketing purposes only lang din. Then, DF Credit Lending Corporation, si Pantera. Discovery Credit Solutions, excuse me. Dolphin Lending Investor, Pesogo at Microloan. Easy Cash Lending Company, si Easy Cash. Ibaro Lending Corporation, Halika Cash at Taga Cash. Then, the Educ Lending, www.invested.ph, okay? E-Generation Lending, ito si Mr. Cash, okay? Then, E-Lending, si Packet Cash po. Empire Peak Lending Investors, Pondo Cash at Pera nyo, Hindi ko lang napansin na ano pala to si Pera nyo. Kala ko illegal, okay? E-Square Financing, esquare.ph. Itomo Financing Corporation, si Itomo. Kala ko tama. Joke only. Fastcoin Lending Corporation, Coco Peso, Cashguard at Cash Cow. Then, itong si Fcash Global Lending, Fastcash, Fcash, Fastcash VIP at Fastcash Loan. Si Fido PH Lending Corporation, si Fido PH Philippines at Fido PH PH. Finance Technologies Incorporation, Pitacash. Okay? Fingertip Finance. Siyempre, si Big Loan, First Circle.ph, First Digital, Balikbayad at Bilis, FDFC at Lone Ranger, yung mga OLA ng First Digital, ha? Flash Cash 101, Bali Loan at Lemon Loan. FT Lending Master, okay? FT Lending, Fuse Financing, ito yung si Fuse, yung sa Gcash o Gcredit, okay? And then Global Dominion, Grab Financial Services, Grab, HC Consumer Finance Philippines, si My Home Credit. Hyphen Lending, ang OLA, Peso Wallet at Credit Cash. Hupan Lending, Cashme, Easy Loan, Suki Loan, Cash Wow. iDirect Finance, Direct Loan. Then iFund Lending Corporation, si Mada Loan. Si Inclusive Credit Lending, si Pinoy Peso. Si Jax Finance Philippines, jax.com.ph. Joywin Lending Investor, Lemon Loan. Kapare siya si Flash Cash. May Lemon Loan din siya. Siya yung na-rebook din nakaraan. Just My Lending, si Fresh Up. Kaya mo at last, kaya mo.ph, King Cash, Instacash. Credibo.ph, Kusog Pera. Kusog Pera is not pera. Okay? Kibico.ph, Lipgen Lending, Peso House. LF Lending Services, LF Lending. LHL Online, pautang online at si pautang peso. Link Credit Lending, si iPeso at si Peso In. Then, si Lone Star Lending Group, lonestarlending.com.ph. Then, si Lucky Share Fintech, May Pera. Ito rin yung isa sa mga naribok at nakabalik. Magician of Money, Lending Corporation, Pera Mo. Makati Loan, Peso Cash Loan. Mali Lending, si Mabilis Cash. Masaganang Buhay Finance Philippines, siya po si Peso Loan. MCP Finance, MCP Finance Incorporation. Moneycat.ph, oneclickmoney.ph. Mr. Angel Credit, QLO, Quick Loans Online, website po siya. My Cash Lending, Paghiram, Peso Online at PH Packet. My Loan Lending, Peso Cash. Neuron Credit, Atome.ph, Atome.ph. New Cross Credit and Financing, si Savi. Infinite Lending, infinite.com.ph. Online Loans Pilipinas, si OLP. Si Palu Lending, Palu Financing, si Casyalo. Si Pera 247, Pera 247. Pera Jet Lending, si Pera Jet. Peso Ready, Peso Ready. Philippine Cash Truck Lending, Peso Mio, Mukasa at Casyoyo. Philippine Rock Financing, Pesos.ph. Philippine Business Lending, B+. Pipo Financing, si TikTok. Plentina.com. Prima Fintech, Light Credit, Peso Packet, Prima Loan. Prime Global Finance, PG Finance. PXT Lending Investor. Ito yung paano, sulpot-sulpot eh. Quark Financing, Madali Loan. Radio Wealth Loan Application Portal. Right Choice, My RCF, My Right Choice. Royal Yuhu Lending, Happy Pera 2. Score 1 Financing, si iPerash. Si Money, si SPay at si S-Loans. Second Pay Financing, si Easy Loan at MM Loan. Singularity Lending, si El Peso at Peso Plus. Skyro Lending, syempre si Skyro. Snap Cash, yung ola niya is Masaya Cash, Peso to You, Cash ni Juan, Peso to Go at Jet Peso. Sophie Lending, Pinbro, yung may peking Sophie Lending ito, pero Pinbro po yung ola niya. Street Corner, Akulaku. Sumisyo Motor, Sumisyo. Sumulong Financing, si Go Peso. Sun Loan Lending Investor, si Kashi Payatinhawa. Ito si Casyola ha, linawin lang natin. Sun Prime, Finance Loan Online. Super Space PH, Peso Here, and Peso Cuento. Supreme Money, Supreme MLC. Surety Cash, si Surety Cash. Tala Financing, si Tala. Tekwang Lending, Tech Cash. Temple Tech, Tendo Pay. The Golden Legacy Financing. Thrift Platinum Lending, si More Gold. Toyota Financial Services, Toyota Financial. Treasure Bowl Fintech, Wow Pera at Zip Peso. U Peso Lending Corporation, Peso Q. Bamo Lending, Bamo. Bidalya Lending, Bidalya App. Warm Cash, Honey Loan. Wifan Lending, Juan Han, Juna Hen, Kidlat Peso. Wing of Integrity, Belly at Isibaro. XL Cash Lending, XL Cash Lending. Y Finance, Loan Chump. Yinshan Lending, Happy Cash at Loan Finance. Loan Finance website. Yun po. Almost 119 na mga OLA po ang nasa recorded list upon lending platform ng SEC na allowed at authorized ng SEC magpautang online, even App Store, Play Store, o website. So sana nakatulong bagong update natin. Muli maglalambing ako na pakipollow po at pakisuportahan ang aking mga social media account, ang Facebook, TikTok at ang aking YouTube. Maraming salamat sa ulitin.